What is the quantum molecular resonance? Quantum molecular resonance is cutting-edge technology used in the surgical, physiotherapeutic and aesthetic medicine fields. To fully understand the possibilities that this technology offers, we need to understand how it works. Warning, we are entering the field of physics. First, let us clarify what a quantum means. If we could stop time and observe a ray of light very closely, we would see that it is composed of a certain number of photons. Any type of energy is transmitted in discrete packages. In other words, packages that can be counted, called quanta. A quantum is therefore the bullet each transmission of energy uses. Let us now see how this energy is transferred from a source to a target. Planck's law states that E equals hv. The energy of each quantum equals Planck's constant multiplied by the oscillation frequency. Do not worry, there will not be a test at the end of the video. Just remember that the frequency determines the amount of energy transmitted by the quantum. Let us take an RF generator. With low frequency electric current, each quantum will contain a low level of energy. If we increase the intensity of the electric current, the energy carried by each quantum will not increase, but only the number of quanta per second. If we increase the frequency of the voltage, then the energy of each quantum will increase. Now, let us try to understand what a molecule is. We know that matter is discrete. In other words, everything is composed of a certain number of atoms or molecules. These atoms or molecules are joined together like bricks by means of a chemical bond. Everything is composed of these bricks. A glass, a helicopter, a bridge, and a human tissue are all composed of molecules, and the QMR acts on these bricks. Let us see how. Warning, we will have to break a few things. Watch these videos. A sound at the right frequency makes a glass vibrate until it breaks into pieces. Ground vibration caused by the thrust from the blades make the helicopter vibrate, and at the right frequency, it will smash it to smithereens. In this case, it is the wind which twists the bridge. When this torque reaches a critical frequency, the bridge will crumble. What have these disasters got in common? They are all caused by the same phenomenon, resonance. The QMR applies its resonance effect on molecules, and more specifically, on the tissues. QMR combines different frequencies to send the ideal quantum energy to act on the molecular bonds. By regulating the intensity and emission frequencies, the molecules will vibrate to the point where even the bond that joins them together will break. In fact, QMR has two main fields of application: surgery and therapy, physiotherapy and aesthetic medicine. Surgery with QMR scalpels. Surgery is the field where QMR technology finds its most immediate application. Let us therefore see what benefits it brings and discover more about its effect on tissues during surgery. But first, let us take a step back. There are currently three main technologies applied to surgery: laser, ultrasound, electric current. What do they have in common? Heat. Each of them uses energy to increase the heat on the tissues that need to be treated. Then, they therefore need systems to control the dispersion of heat, such as irrigation or the use of precious materials. In fact, thermal damage relates to the process of healing and scar formation. QMR technology does not use heat. Do you remember? It uses quantum molecular resonance that breaks chemical bonds in molecules. The heat generated is negligible and does not require irrigation. QMR operates efficiently in delicate areas while containing damage from heat. No heat, no thermal damage. Better healing, no scar tissue. Let us see QMR in action with a thermal camera. Do you see? The rise in tissue temperature is kept to a minimum. Observe QMR in one of its most delicate applications, cutting the dura mater. No transfer of heat, no tissue shrinkage. These images speak for themselves. QMR technology guarantees new standards of precision and safety. The second field in which quantum molecular resonance is used includes physiotherapy and aesthetic medicine. In this case, the energy is no longer aimed at breaking the molecular bonds within cells. The right mix of frequencies and intensities is now aimed at generating the beneficial stimulation of the cells. Let's see how it works, thanks to the studies conducted in collaboration with the Department of Anatomy and Physiology at the University of Padua. Do not panic. Just a few key concepts. First, QMR cell stimulation has three different effects: mechanical, electrical, chemical. Mechanical, with the contraction of muscle fibers. Electrical, with the depolarization of cell membranes. Biochemical, with the release of calcium ions. That results in fibroblast stimulation with a noticeable increase in the production of elastin and collagen. Satellite stem cell stimulation with a positive regenerative effect. Stimulation of the lymphatic system, improving drainage and circulation. Stimulation of blood perfusion and microcirculation. These effects allow QMR therapy to act on two levels: expectorant and analgesic action in the short term, tissue regenerative action in the medium term. In physiotherapy, the QMR makes it possible to effectively treat several diseases. The objectives achieved in aesthetic medicine are no less important. The benefits of QMR simulation: no pain, no hospitalization, pleasant treatments, safe treatments, results with a natural look, lasting results. Let's see some pictures that speak for themselves.